Hi, this is Miles from Musician Supply in Lexington, South Carolina. Got an interesting keyboard repair today. I haven't made any videos lately. We've been a little busy and understaffed, so just been cranking repairs out and not taking the time to share interesting things that come along. But this one seemed like something that was a little surprising, and I'm hoping it's going to turn out to be an easy repair other than actually getting in here to this Korg SP 250 that won't power on. So let me take you in closer and see what I think is happening. So here's the back side of the input and amp board. Got it totally removed from the keyboard. So yeah, it won't power on, and these are the three solder pads for the DC in jack. And as you can see, this trace right here is where the positive for the DC power comes in, but there's no connection. No connection at all. From above, that solder pad seems fine. Doesn't look disturbed at all. You know, the through solder is fine, but when you get down on the edge of it, it is lifted. And by using the simplest setting on any multimeter, just the are things touching or not, that's what I call it, the resistance setting, it was pretty easy to find out that that is why power's not going where it's supposed to. So the easiest fix for that is to take a small wire and jump it over to where it's supposed to go. Okay, now with the wire, pretend melt the solder together, remove the heat, each end. We've got a really nice connection, and I don't need to jump it any further since these are all on the same trace. The positive power is carried from this trace to there, and from the same trace to there. So when I hook everything back up, got just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 internal plugs and a few screws, and then we can do a power test. So this is my happy face. All the plugs really only reach to one port that they fit in. A couple of them are the same plug, like this plug and this plug are the same, but if you have the board where it actually has the jacks fitting through the case of the piano, then you really can't put together, you can't do it wrong. So pretty easy disassembly. The screws that you take out of the backside are all marked with an arrow, so you don't have to take out the ones that hold the key bed down. But everything's connected now, so the customer's going to be happy, we're going to be happy, and it'll last a few more years. See you next time.